Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's still strong. Bitcoin is pretty much following the expectation here for one more high into the target area. My target area for this move was between 92 to 95K. So we are there now. The price reacted to the support zone and the wave 4 did ideally, well, it did hold there where it ideally was supposed to hold. So I'm gonna take this support zone from the chart, this trend reversal area after this video, because I've added another one that we can now observe, which is again a moving support area, which we are, as always, moving with the price as long as the price moves higher and extends in this internal third wave of wave 5. So the wave count is exactly the same that I shared with you in the last video. I mean, okay, we were considering, okay, you know, does it maybe form a triangle here or whatever? But the idea was, as long as we're holding this, we're watching for one more high in the area, 92 to 95K. So the wave count, that the idea that we're in a fifth wave, unchanged. If you watched the previous video about the daily chart, nothing changed. We are now simply following the roadmap to that one more high. But that one more high is obviously, again, a structure in 5 waves, those 5 subwaves. So we have a wave 1 and a wave 2, and the third wave, this could now be a fourth wave next, which hasn't started yet. We're just doing some more wild extensions. And as I mentioned throughout the last few days, the third wave can extend. It doesn't look finished yet. Then a wave 4, then a wave 5. And again, upside target range up to 95K. But, and that is what I highlighted yesterday, and these are sort of the updates you get as a gold member. You might want to check the gold membership out. You get some additional updates that I don't normally talk about everything in the videos. There's a lot of content in here, but not everything. There has to be some additional value for our loyal members. So there's more updates, long-term updates, Tradingview live chart access. But I communicated yesterday, so far that was late yesterday. So far pretty clear textbook price action. A break below the trend line would be an indication that wave C has started. Okay, that was within, I'm just gonna open that. But once wave 4 is complete, the price should reach 92,000 to 95,000. So not even 24 hours ago that was posted, but I cannot rule out a direct move to 100K. So let me know in the comments if you think we might see, 100K more directly. And yeah, I mean, this is the idea, right? We formed that wave 4, price even reached the support zone again, and now this is the area, right? This target area, 92 to 95K. But I cannot rule out a direct move to 100K. I think in the last video yesterday, I even mentioned that I find that quite likely, because when we are so close to a key level like 100K, I mean, the sentiment might just push it higher. The altcoins are still not doing much, right? So the focus is still on Bitcoin. And this year, I see this at the moment, at least, as an ending diagonal in wave 5. So 1, 2, 3. Once the third wave is done, we're watching for the fourth wave and then one more high in 5. And I mean, you know, is there another FIB extension that you can watch above, you know, above 95K? Yeah, for sure, for sure. And there is one even at 100K, which is, but it additionally not only, you know, it's psychological resistance, right? So we have 97,350 and then 100K, but we're now in this target zone anyway. So I will shift this support area higher. I will communicate that throughout the afternoon. So if you want to stay up to date with that, what the latest support levels are before I make the new video, feel free to check out the, join us in the membership, right? On Sunday, by the way, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be the topic we talk about in our member live stream, we're going to talk about how to prepare for the end of a bull market, because while there is euphoria, it doesn't feel like it. But when everybody's bullish, we just need to plan. I'm not saying we've topped. I'm not saying we topped now. I'm not saying we topped next week, but we need to plan and how to strategically navigate the market now. Also the altcoin market. There's something else that's coming up. I don't think there's much more to say. I mean, what now is important to understand, I mean, we fulfilled now this upside pattern. We fulfilled the additional higher high that I wanted to see without any sign of a top. And as I just said, we should even move a bit higher. But should we now break below 88,874? I assume that we are now in this expected larger fourth wave, right? Next. And this larger fourth wave, again, also here, I will adjust these support levels, you know, as we go higher. As I said, I will move this one, delete it, Don't need it anymore. Keeping the chart clean. Don't need the trend line anymore. But the lower one might be useful, right? So that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. That takes me here to Twitter X, because yesterday I promised if we reach 100 comments on this one post about render, and we did, then I will post a render update. I will do it after this video. You can check it out on X. It's not going to be on YouTube, but it's on X. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.